let's make die-cut, kiss-cut stickers without Cricut Access. Hi, and welcome to my craft room. My name is Kelsey, and today we are making die-cut, kiss-cut stickers with our Cricuts in Cricut Design Space, but we don't have Cricut Access. Cricut has released a new feature called the Cricut Sticker feature, where you can make a sticker from a PNG or a JPEG with the click of a button. Now, they have made this a Cricut Access only feature, which means that you have to be paying that monthly fee or the yearly fee to access this. Now, if you don't pay for Cricut Access, like me, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to create that same sort of technique of a kiss cut, die cut sticker without having to pay anything. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I bring you new Cricut projects, techniques, craft projects, silhouette projects every single week. And my website has over 800 free SVG files for you to download to use on your cutting machines. So let's get started making our stickers. So for this PNG image that I have here, I got it on Creative Fabrica, and I will have a link below to a free trial to Creative Fabrica. I absolutely love their website. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make an outline using our offset feature. Offset is still free at this point. So we are going to make a slight offset, and this is going to be what the kiss cut is of the sticker. So for the print and cut image, you're going to want to make that backdrop white. And then we are actually going to flatten this. So you're not going to attach it, you're going to flatten it. So grab both and flatten. You can make that offset as big or small as you'd like. I suggest making an offset, but you can also just skip that part if you don't want to do an offset at all. You can just kiss cut right around your image. So our next part is to make our die cut part of the sticker. So that's going to be the outer part so that it has the same shape as the sticker. So what you are going to want to do is do another offset. This one you can do slightly bigger. Again, depending on what you want it to look like, that's just going to be on you. But you're going to want to make an offset of that. Now I'm going to keep it black just for a second. I ended up changing mine to white. I don't really think it matters what color it is, but I changed mine to white. So you'll probably want to do the same. Make sure you go to this, change it to a basic cut, and then contour everything. That way there are no holes inside of that die cut. You do not want it to have a cut inside. You just want the outline of your image. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to duplicate this. I did mine 3 times when I duplicated. So I have 3 of these layers. So I have the original one I made, and then I duplicated twice. So with that, you're going to want to center everything, send those offsets, those back gray images I have here to the back, and center it. So you're still going to only have one image here. Again, I changed all of those offsets, the basic cut, make sure they are basic cut and not print and cut, to the back. I changed them white, and then I attached everything. So then when you go to make it, you see that I only have one image, but it still says print and cut and then basic cut. So what's going to happen is Cricut's going to cut that print and cut once, and then it's going to go around 3 times on that basic cut. So that is going to be where we cut through our paper. So from my end, I'm going to show you what I do and the settings I use, but you might need to test this. Your cut might need 3 times or 4 times. So you might need to add that offset a few more times than me. It'll depend on the thickness of your paper and also your blade. I am using my Epson EcoTank printer for my print, and I'm going to use the quality setting or the photo setting for my print. And I am also using koala sticker paper. It's not super thick. I want to say it's close to like 65 pounds. It is glossy. And so again, you might need to add more of those offsets in the basic cut depending on your paper. So do some test cuts, but use the same technique. Once it is printed, I'm using the premium vinyl setting for my sticker paper. Again, you might need to test your materials and see which cut works best for you in terms of pressure. But let's look at how it cuts. So once you have it cut, you will see there's like this little outline. You can leave it if you want, but that's your kiss cut. So I just pulled my stickers off and removed that extra layer that it has. I guess you would call it a layer, right? Or the outline. So basically just the piece in between the kiss cut and the die cut. It's just like a little piece of the sticker paper. So you can remove this, you can leave this, but this is how it's gonna be like an easy peel, I guess you can say. And so that's your kiss cut. But yeah, this is going to be the free way to make your stickers just like Cricut has in Cricut Access. I know that it's just a one-step deal there. It's really not just a one-step deal. There's multiple steps that you have to do, but that's besides the point. I hope that this helped you make die cut, kiss cut stickers. Thank you so much for joining me today as we made our die cut, kiss cut stickers. I hope this tutorial helps you, and that way you can save a little bit of money so you can spend more on new craft materials. If you haven't already and you learned something today, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It helps me so much. If you enjoyed this video and the way that I teach, please don't forget to subscribe. That way I can continue to bring you new tutorials every week. And if you know somebody who wants to learn how to make these kind of stickers with their Cricut, don't forget to share this with your crafty friends. I will see you next week in my craft room, and stay crafty.